Hi everyone, I am so excited because as I came home from Card Buffet, this box, well, actually several of these boxes were on my porch. So let's open up the, what is this one called? Peaceful Christmas Paper Pumpkin Kit. All my scissors are still in the boxes from Card Buffet, so I have like no scissors on my desk. Okay, here we go. Alright, first off, the box is super cute. Okay, so our ink spot is shaded spruce. And I like to put a little piece of cardstock here so we can see what these look like. So we've got a line of trees. It looks just like this box. Really fun. Okay, and then we've got some snowflakes. And this one says Merry Christmas. That's a pretty font. Peaceful Christmas wishes. Wishing you and your family all the best. Holiday cheer to you and yours. Sending you peace and joy all year around. Oh no, all year long, sorry. From our home to yours. So that's the stamp set. Lots of good sentiments in this one. This is a nice size. These both are really good sizes for the card fronts. So anyway, really nice stamp set. Okay, this is showing you that the stamp set matches the Peaceful Christmas suite in the big, well, mini catalog. Has this Peaceful Cabin suite in there. Alright, let's see the cards. Ooh, foil on that envelope. That's pretty. Okay, very pretty. Now this really does match the Peaceful Cabin. This paper here is just like the Peaceful Cabin Designer Series paper. So if you're really liking that, you can take a look at that from the catalog and see even more. Alright, let's open this up. We've got some red baker's twine and some dimensionals and glue dots. The envelopes on this are gorgeous. Look at these envelopes. Beautiful envelopes. Oh, and the inside has a nice little plaid or a buffalo check. Nice. Alright, we've got Silver Noel. Oh, here's some more little accents, some little glittery gems or dots. Okay, some more pieces. Some buffalo check circles, rectangles. Alright. These are vellum trees. A bunch of vellum trees. Maybe you can see it if I put it down there. Alright, now if I remember correctly, oh, here's some labels. If I remember correctly, there were 2 different style cards and then multiples of those. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 cards, which is more than usual in our kits. Now this one, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but this has got silver snowflakes. So they have a little shimmer as you look at them. They kind of look like shimmering snowflakes in the sky. Really nice. Okay, let's see how they look. Where's my instructions? Very pretty. So here you've got those vellum trees going over that buffalo check. And then this one. So these are very simple but very elegant looking. And I like that you get 10. That envelope is really pretty. Very nice. Okay, this is your instructions. There you go. Really nice. You know, I was talking to someone at Card Buffet yesterday who was saying they were getting family pictures done and how they like to do a family picture card. But this year they were thinking of just getting the pictures printed out and then putting them on the inside of a regular card. And that way it's kind of like the best of both worlds. It has a place that you can write. You know how sometimes those family photos cards, you don't have a lot of spot to write, and it's more personalized that way. So that's what they were going to do, and I thought that was a good idea. Here's the silver Noel. There you go. That is the Peaceful Christmas Paper Pumpkin Kit. Now, if you missed out on this and you wish that you had the Peaceful Christmas Paper Pumpkin Kit, let me know. I always get a couple extra. I did get a couple more than, I did get a few more than usual just because it's a Christmas kit, and I know that a lot of people like to do the Christmas cards, and this one makes 10, so you've got a really nice set of 10 cards that you can make pretty simple. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.